We are back for another section. This is broiler, super broiler finisher feed for amazing results. How to get better weight of broiler within short period of time. If you are interested in this kind of video, right away give it a thumb up. We are formulating the feed. I'm going to show you the figures, how to make your own feed in your farm at a very cheap rate. This feed, I bet, will not be costly for you in your farm. You're going to get amazing results, get huge profit by using this feed. Before I go on, let me introduce you to our feed booster. If you are using commercial feed, you want to get a wonderful result, this is the product you use to mix in your own feed. You can see it here. You can see it. This is made up of organic products to boost the growth of your poultry beds within a short period of time. It's also help you to augment the feed you're using, the commercial feed you're using, to make it richer and make it more productive for your poultry beds to reach. At the same time, it helps in feed conversion ratio. If you are giving your chickens 1 kg of feed and mix it with this, it's going to help them to get at least 0.8 kg of meat comparably. This is only 15,000 naira. If you order for 12 pieces of it, we'll give you 1 full pack free. It is 15,000 naira per pack. A pack weighs 1 kg. 1 kg is 1,000 grams. This is what this is made up of. You can use it to mix about 4 bags of feed. You can still mix up to 6 bags, but 4 is our measurement. You can use it to mix up to 6 bags of feed. Most especially if you are giving them starter feed, you want them to grow bigger. You want to get amazing result at startup. This is what you use, especially if you are using commercial feed. But for us here, due to our own feed is customized, we add all these things into our feed and make sure that our feed is richer. So our feed here, starter feed, where you're using 21% crude protein, here we're using 23% crude protein. And our chickens convert them because we add electrolytes like this probiotic Eco Booster. We make use of it and it helps them to convert that 23% crude protein for us, and you get amazing results. This is Eco Booster. This is a liquid probiotic that gives your poultry maximum protection from every infections. Aside from it cures a lot of infections and protect them, boost the immunity and make them kakaraka so that they will not contact any infection. That's why you see our birds having big weight. Your birds can only get big weight when they are healthy from beginning to the end. If they fall sick at any time, you will not get that result you need to. It will not be possible. Then if you are having problem in your farm already at hand, you're not using our product and you're having issue, your chicken are dropping reddish color, brownish color, white liquid color, watery color, all this can be sign of coccidiosis. This is the product here. You call it Eco Caustic Cure. This will wipe off coccidiosis in just 3 days. Just give it to them 3 days. That's 4 ml per 20 liters of water to wipe off all and change and balance their everything, balance their nutritional value, and they start eating well. If your chickens are having dry leg, you cannot get amazing results. In fact, you are losing already. If they're having dry leg, ruffle feather, they have feather all over their body instead of meat. You are not selling feather. People are not buying feather in the market. What they are buying is the meat. If they carry the chicken that is not weighty enough, it doesn't have weight. Even most of them, they don't even carry it. If they see it from far, they will know that this chicken has only feather. They will not even come near you. You're thinking that which from your father's house is pursuing you in the market. No, because your product is not attractive. If you have healthy broiler that are healthy, big chest, big leg, big laps, people will come patronizing you. You see people crowding over you, looking for before even the festive period. You start selling chicken already. People will come around you and buy off your chicken to go and sell because you have good products. Good products doesn't need alarm, doesn't need saline, doesn't need bell, doesn't need whistle. People will come patronizing you. That's one thing. So use these products. See it. We produce it for you. 15K. See it. See it. This is 55,000 naira Eco Booster. 5 liters. The 5 liters you can use it and rear all your broilers till maturity without any infection. This is Eco Caustic Cure. If you're having coccidiosis in your farm already, or you're having intestinal problems, their dropping is rough. You don't even understand the color of their droppings. This is what you need to use to cure them. It's 100 mil. 100 mil is only 10,000 naira, and you can use it to rear up to 1,000 broilers. You can take care of 1,000 broilers at a time. And you only use 4 mil for 20 liters of water. You can see just little quantity into 20 liters of water. For 3 days, you stop. Keep the remaining one for the next batch. Thank you for watching. Let's go into our main topic. This is broiler finisher feed production in your farm, in your house. Broiler finisher. For maximum results. That's exactly. Here, if you are not watching the broiler starter, please go and watch it. It is posted already in the next channel. That's why I always tell you to make sure you subscribe to our both channels. This is the finisher. We have finished the starter. Now here we are using corn. Number 1, corn. Corn is the major ingredient in any livestock feed. Call it dog feed, goat feed, chicken feed, cow feed. All this. Corn is the major ingredient because it supplies energy, it also supplies fat, and at the same time protein. All these are embedded in that corn you're seeing here. Here we're using corn because this finisher feed. Corn here is 51%. That's exactly what we're using. Here you're using SBN, soybean meal. Remember, I always explain in the other video. We have soybean meal, we have soybean cake, we have soybean, full fat soybean. Here we're using soybean number 2, soybean meal. SBM. Soybean meal is what we're using here. Here we're using 23.5. Please, if you're not seeing this clearly, you zoom your video when you're watching. Zoom your video so that you see it clearly. Next one is groundnut cake. Groundnut cake. Number 3, GNC. We call it GNC. Groundnut cake. Our groundnut cake here is 5%. This feed formula you are seeing here is what I'm using in my own farm right away. I will still show you in the next video the chickens we have used it for, so that you see the chicken. I also, before I show you the chicken, I will first of all show you the feed. If you have not watched the live video of why the feed was going on, the processing of the feed was going on, go and watch it. Check my live video or from the Poultryside TV or Dr. Any of them is there. Then I will also show you the feed also and show you the chicken that we are producing right away. This is their 28 days. You're going to see them. Now, number 4. We are through with GNC. The next one is wheat bran. For us to add fiber to this. Fiber help in digestion of feed. Wheat bran. Wheat bran, we are using 13%. 13.0%. Number 5 here. On number 5 here, we're using fish meal. Please, when you are using fish meal, use standard quality fish meal. If possible, go to the market and buy this one, the conclude pea, this tiny fish, the dried one. You go and buy, so you crush it by yourself. Don't go and buy this sand. Most of this thing they use fish, what do you call it? The fish bone and grind it with sand. Sand will fill everywhere. You call it fish meal. It will not give you better result. So please go and buy this dried fish, small fish in the market. Grind it by yourself and make use of it. You're going to get quality result. Fish meal here is 2% fish meal. If you won't use it, go and buy standard imported 72% crude protein fish meal. That one will be better for you also. Fish meal, you are using 2.0%. Number 6, we are using blood meal, animal blood meal. Blood meal here, we're using 3.0%. I can see them now. Now, the next one is bone meal. Number 7. Bone meal. We're using 1.0%. This is bone meal. Animal bone, well processed. If you don't know how to process them, go and check my videos. You see how to process both the blood meal and the bone meal. They are all there. The next one is limestone, 1.5%. That is number 8. Limestone 1.5%. Next one is salt, number 9. Salt 0.3%. Can see use 0.25, the 0.3. Another one here is Premix, that's number 10. Premix is used to augment all these feed values to add vitamins and minerals into that feed you are processing, so that to make the feed richer. They are synthetic processed, well processed by factories for the augmentation of your feed, to make your feed richer. We're going to use Premix. We call it vitamin and mineral Premix. (0.25%). Please, when you are using broiler finisher, each of the feed stages have their own Premix. We have starter Premix, we have broiler Premix, we have grower Premix, we have finisher Premix, and we also have layers Premix. Please use the right Premix for them. Finisher, broiler finisher Premix is what we're going to use. Then now we have another one we call lysine. Number 11, lysine. Lysine are growth boosters. Can use 0.1. We have methionine. Can use 0.1. Then we have enzyme. Can use 0.1. We have toxic binder. What is the work of toxic binder? Toxic binder help to protect them from any form of toxin, any chemical, any substance that's harmful to, that will be harmful to the birds from all these plants and crops here. Anything like mud or that anything that will affect them from using this toxic binder will destroy those things. It's a very small micronutrient, but it's very powerful. This is 0.1. You can see right away we have very standard feed here. Here we are looking for energy here, and we are looking for fat here. We are looking for crude protein here. Here we are looking for crude protein here. We are looking for crude protein here. Here we are looking for fiber, which is crude protein, animal source of crude protein. This animal source of crude protein also is a plant source of crude protein. Here we are looking for calcium. Here we are looking for sodium, and here we are looking for vitamins and other things. We are looking for boosters. You can see them here. This is standard feed. This is exactly what we are using now. I will show you the feed also, show you the result of this particular feed. Now let me give you the analysis. What this feed, what they compromise. This is one is crude protein. Crude protein. This is 18% crude protein feed. 18% crude protein, quality feed also. 18%. Then another is crude fat. Crude fat is 5.0%. 5.0%. And that one is crude fiber. 5.0% also. And that one here is calcium. Calcium help the strength of the leg of your poultry so that they can be strong all the time, to walk around, to eat well, not crawling, not. What is the cause of the paralysis in my broiler? Most of them is lack of adequate nutrients like calcium in their meal. Most of the times you see a chicken leaving the feed to go and peck on the wall, trying to pull down your wall. They are pecking, they are digging hole in the wall because you are looking for the minerals and vitamins that are not in the feed. If your feed lack vitamins and minerals, they will start going to peck the wall. Now calcium we have 1.0%. And that one here is available for phosphorus. Phosphorus. This is available for phosphorus. 0.45%. And that one is lysine and methionine. 1.05% methionine. Our methionine here is 0.5%. Then the last one is metabolizable energy. Metabolizable energy. This is 3,200 per kg. You see it? This is the nutritional value of this particular feed. Please, if this particular video interests you, you have gained little knowledge, please share this video to reach more poultry owners and give this video a thumb up right away, please. Try and give this video a thumb up. Even if you hate yourself, please like this video and give it a thumb up. It doesn't cost you anything. Just click that sign, thumb up, and drop your question if you have any question. If you don't have any question, don't just watch and go. Or you're looking for where there's any fault. There's no fault here. This feed is what I'm using right away. I'm going to show you the chickens and how they're doing. I'll also show you the feed also. If you don't want to watch the process of making the feed, watch my live. Go to my live videos. You see the live where we have blue machines and other machines there that we're using. Right away, you want training on how to make feed, we can come on the farm training, come and be trained in our farm how to produce your own chicken feed, how to do the calculation. This feed can be calculated. You can calculate this feed for you. I've been doing it. I don't want us to waste too much of time. That's why I decided to give you what I'm using already. I already done the calculation before I get all these values. You can't just formulate these values. You must calculate them. This is corn. It's almost 8%. So you are using yellow corn. It's 8%. That will give you 51 over 8 times 100 over 1. Whatever you get here, this will give you 4. This will give you 50. This will give you 1. This will give you 25. 25 times this. That's, you get all this. SBN. This is mostly the crude protein of SBN is about 48%. 48% crude protein. You do it 48 times 23. 100 over 1. You get all this. We have done the calculations. I don't want us to spend too much here. We have done the calculation. That's why I get this, and I'm using the feed already. Share this video, please. Share it to reach more poultry farmers. Don't keep the knowledge. I'm keeping the knowledge. If I keep the knowledge alone, it won't reach you. And if you keep it alone, you don't like yourself and you don't like others. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Those are platforms. Those are groups. Share it to reach them, please. Let us stop for now. You want training? Send me a message on the WhatsApp line. I will give you details on how to go about the training. You can come, we'll train you on our farm also. Thanks for watching. Till the next video is uploaded. For now, I say bye.